Hello YouTube, a little bit of difference today. This is something I picked up over the weekend. It's a vintage myford lathe. As you can see, she's rusty, really rusty, but very complete. Not a sort of thing I'm going to bother restoring myself, because I've got a nice one, so I won't even need this if it was restored. So it's not a bit of me in that sense. But look, everything it come with. 3-jaw chuck on the machine itself, 4-jaw. Look at that, she's rusty. Rusty. If I just throw it up, in case any of us boys who are into all our lathes, rusty tools. What a lovely project for someone. We will be putting it on eBay. Look at the old box it come with. That's where all the cogs and all your odds and sods are in. Beautiful little thing. What a lovely thing to restore. I've got some other bigger projects going on that I want for myself after, so they're the projects I do first. Lovely. From the same fair as well, I managed to get these tools. This was one person had all of these. Just look like tools, but till you have a very close look, and so that's how these are all made by the fella. Clamp, lovely handmade puller. Incredible, these tools, incredible. There's some very clever engineers out there. Made all this is lovely. I'll be using this. Have a close look. See all the teeth. So you can use that for either, like, you know, crappy sort of nuts to undo, or that's for you put there a stud. It removes studs, but look. That's for your tap and dies, obviously that's for your tap. But again, made all these bits. Oh look, it's got his name on it there. Dave Mitchell. Superb. Also, that's for your dies. Real sucker for any tools which I've seen which are handmade. I never ever sell, always put them one side. Look at those clamps. Always amazes me how anyone can sell these bits. You don't get any more history than this. Lovely bits. And also as well, just looks like a blue, well, sorry, green case, but a fella had this all his life. It was snap-on, all embossed. What a lovely thing. Okay, imagine all that back to bare metal. Some lovely bits. If you just heard someone coming in, that's my tosser mate John.
Love you too.